Regional artists are recruited, artists that could bring a distinctive mood or a vibe that is not necessarily trying to teach art with a capital A.
He was such a good teacher. There's a lot of technical stuff in ceramics, and he was just right there, hands-on, whenever you needed him, or when you didn't.
He loved teaching. They loved being his student. That the energy, kind of no bullshit.
I sort of think about everything in my life as an extension of my weaving practice. I weave cloth, but I also weave community, and I weave story, and I weave ideas.
The best way to keep a legacy alive is to keep it in dialogue with young artists, and that's still very much happening today.
It's a continuum, and I feel so incredibly honored to be sort of part of that legacy.